We're here in East Berlin, right on the edge of the main downtown city center, and we're gonna go do a little drive by the Kit Kat Club, the infamous Kit Kat Club in Berlin, known as perhaps one of the most popular dance and sex clubs in the whole world, certainly in Germany. And we're going to take a look at what it looks like in the daytime, which is probably not when you're going to be going if you're going to visit, but it's kind of like when the lights come on at the end of a long night in a club. You get to actually see what everyone looks like with the lights on. That's what we're about to do with the Kit Kat Club. Alright, we're here at a stoplight for a second, so you can take a look at the neighborhood here. Here we go. Right up here on the left is the Kit Kat Club entrance. Republic of Berlin. Let's see here. This is not it. This is a nice little cafe. And here we have, I think, the club. There you have it, Kit Kat Club entrance by daytime with no real signage. But you'll know you're here when you see all the graffiti, and hope you have fun.